If you are still running local service ads the same way you did a few months ago, this update could completely change how you manage your campaign. Google is replacing traditional local service ads experience with Performance Max campaign using pay per lead goals. And if you don't understand what this means, you could lose control over your lead generation strategy in some months. This is one of the biggest local service ads update we have seen in recent years. In this video, I will explain exactly what is changing, why Google is making this move, how it affects agencies and Google Ads media buyers, and what you should do before the transition reaches your account. By the end of this video, you will know whether you need to take action now in your local search ads or simply prepare for the rollout. Let's start with the biggest question. Is Google shutting down local service ads? So the answer is no, not exactly. Instead, Google is moving eligible advertisers from the traditional local service ads platform into Performance Max campaign that use a pay per lead bidding model. This means you will manage these campaigns inside Google Ads rather than through the separate local service ads interface. From Google's perspective, this creates one advertising platform for all the types of ads instead of maintaining two separate systems. For advertisers, it means your local lead generation campaign becomes part of the Google Ads ecosystem like search, YouTube, demand gen, and etc. And now you have to understand something deeply because this is not simply a new dashboard, it changes how campaigns are managed for local search ads. So here I ask you, think about Google's direction over the past few years. We have seen smart shopping replaced by Performance Max. We have seen more automation across search campaigns like AI Max. We have seen AI becoming responsible for bidding, placement, and audience targeting. Now local service ads are following the same direction. So actually Google wants a one AI powered campaign type that can reach customers across search, maps, display, discover, Gmail, and YouTube whenever it's appropriate. So instead of managing multiple campaign types separately, advertisers can manage more of their local advertising inside a single Google Ads account. And this is the motive of Google Ads. So whether you like automation or not, this clearly shows where Google is investing its future. But the next question is the one every media buyer should ask. What actually changes in day-to-day campaign management? So there are several important differences. First, campaign management moves into Google Ads. That means reporting, budgeting, optimization, and account management become much more centralized, like you have been doing for search, for PMax, for YouTube, and demand gen. Second, bidding is still focused on leads instead of clicks. You will continue paying based on qualified leads rather than every visitor who clicks your ad. Third, Performance Max gives Google's AI significantly more flexibility when deciding where and when to show your ads. Instead of only appearing in traditional local services placement, your campaign can reach potential customers across Google's broader inventory like Discovery, YouTube, Gmail, and others whenever the system predicts a high quality lead. This also means creative assets, business information, landing pages, and conversion quality become even more important. So eventually, the better information you provide, the better Google's AI can optimize your campaign. But before you assume this is automatically a good news, this is one thing you should be very careful about. So here I want to ask you something. How many times have you seen Google introduce more automation, but advertisers who simply accepted the default settings ended up with disappointing results? Automation is powerful, but blind automation is totally expensive. The advertisers who continue getting great results are usually the ones who understand how the system works instead of simply trusting every recommendation by Google. And that mindset will matter even more after this transition. If you manage local service ads for clients, don't wait until your campaigns are automatically transitioned. Instead, you should start preparing today. Review your account structure, make sure your business information is complete and accurate. Improve the quality of your landing pages. Verify your conversion tracking, audit your lead quality because Google's AI is only as good as the signals you provide. Poor data creates poor optimization. Strong data creates better leads. Also, keep an eye on Google's rollout schedule because not every industry or region will transition at exactly the same time. The earlier you prepare, the smoother this change will be. I have written a detailed blog post about this transition at my website. I am giving the link in the description. Go and check out everything. So here is the simple takeaway. Google is not abandoning local lead generation, it is modernizing it. Local service ads are evolving into performance max campaign with pay per lead goals. For media buyers, this means one platform, more automation, broader reach, and a much stronger dependence on high quality account data. The fundamentals have not changed. Businesses still need qualified leads. Your job is still to help Google's AI find the right customers while maintaining profitability. The advertisers who adapt early will have a significant advantage over those who wait until the transition is complete by Google itself. If you manage Google Ads for clients and you are unsure whether your account is ready for this transition, my team is offering a complete free Google Ads account audit. We will personally review your campaigns, identify opportunities, highlight potential risks related to this update, and show you exactly where improvements can be made. You will find the audit request link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for practical Google Ads strategies, platform updates, and real optimization techniques that you can apply immediately in any of your accounts. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.